All right, guys, so we're over at Home Depot. We're going to check out some of the deals, the Spring Black Friday sales. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So first up, if you guys are looking for a nice patio set, they've got this 6-piece for $99. This was $129, and this is going to come with the glass table, 4 foldable chairs, and then a nice umbrella. Not a bad deal there. And then they also got a deal going on for the Weber grill. This is a 22-inch charcoal grill by Weber. And Weber makes a really good grills. Be a nice setup, match up that patio set with this grill. You'd be all set for those summer cookouts. Now, if you guys are all excited to start dressing up your landscaping, they do have a pretty good deal. 5 for $10 on the Scott's wood mulch. It looks like they got this in red, black, and then also brown. Now, if you guys are looking for a deal on a lawnmower, they do have the Ryobi 40 volt. This is the HP 20-inch self-propelled mower kit. So this is going to come with the battery and charger, claiming to be more powerful than a 150cc gas mower. 40 minutes of runtime, and this does come with a 6 amp hour 40 volt battery and fast charger. They got this one marked down to $349. Like I said earlier, that is the kit, so you'll get the charger and battery also, and that's a 6 amp hour battery. And this would be ideal for up to a half-acre lawn. Also, you can combine that with the 40 volt 2-tool combo kit. $200 for this. This was $249. It's going to get your string trimmer and blower, along with the 4 amp hour battery and charger. Blower is rated at 550 CFM, so pretty nice blower. And then that is going to be a 15-inch string trimmer with that kit. Also, that string trimmer does accept attachments, which is pretty cool. So any one of these attachments would work with it. Now, if you guys are looking for a portable pressure washer, they do have the 1900 PSI down to 129. This was $149. And this does come with that turbo nozzle, which is awesome to use. Really helps speed up the cleaning process. Now, if you're looking to keep your budget right around $100, they do have the 1800 PSI electric pressure washer by Ryobi. This also has the turbo nozzle for that deep cleaning, and then it has a few other nozzles that you can use with your car or just more delicate items, along with a soap applicator. Another item they have for cleanup is this 18-volt soap dispensing scrubber. $20 off on this, bring the price down to $149. Now, this is just going to be the tool only, no batteries or charger included with this. But this is pretty cool. It actually dispenses its own soap. Ryobi also sells a bunch of different brushes for different applications you can use this with. This will be a great tool to use to clean your siding or even your car. Had some deals from Makita. So here is the brushless blower with 4 amp hour kit, $219. I actually own this blower. Great blower, had it for years. Packs a lot of power at 459 CFM, 116 miles per hour. And then they also got the string trimmer, $200 for this. Also the kit with the 4 amp hour battery and charger. And this is going to be a 13-inch string trimmer. Now for you Dewalt guys, they do have the gas mower. So this is going to be a 21-inch rear-wheel drive, 2-in-1 self-propelled. Price on this is $400. This does do mulching and bagging, and the wheel height is 8 inches. Now, if you guys are looking for those mini chainsaws, here's the Max XR 8-inch brushless chainsaw, $139. This is $169. These small chainsaws always come in handy. When they first came out, I was kind of skeptical, but once I used one, I was pretty impressed. They also got the Dewalt pruner, $90 for this. This was $120. Now, this is not an item I've used before, so not sure how well those work. Dewalt's also got a buy one, get one going on for FlexVolt. So you can get a FlexVolt, a 9 amp hour battery for free if you purchase one of these 3 down below. So they got the blower kit, the trimmer kit, and also the 16-inch chainsaw kit. And it's always nice to have some extra batteries. Next up, they got the 2-tool kit for Dewalt. Comes with a 4 amp hour battery. You get your string trimmer and your blower here for $249. $100 savings on this one. Now, if you're not looking for the combo kit, they do have your choice for $179. You get the blower with the 5 amp hour kit. This was $219. Or you can pick up the string trimmer, but this one's going to come with a 4 amp hour kit. Now that string trimmer there, that is a 13-inch string trimmer. Got some Milwaukee deals, so instantly save $150 when you buy one of the tools and one starter kit. And that's an 8 amp hour starter kit with the dual bay rapid charger. And then here's another buy one tool and one starter kit. Instantly save $300 on this one. And they got the dual battery backpack blower, mower kit, and then the Forge 12 amp hour kit. You also got a lower price on the Milwaukee pack out fan. This M18 was $129 down to $100. You also got the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 24-inch hedge trimmers. These are the Gen 2. Tool only on this one for $279. They also got the Milwaukee 18-volt Fuel string trimmer with quick lock for $249. Tool only on that one. And then they also have the 16-inch M18 Fuel chainsaw, $329. Another tool only. But I think this is one of the better deals. So this is the M18 Fuel string trimmer kit. So you're getting the battery, which is an 8 amp hour battery and charger. And that's a Forge battery. And this has the quick lock attachments, just like the other one. But if you pick up this kit, you get one of the attachments for free. So I think that's a pretty good deal there. And they have the hedge trimmer attachment, the brush cutter attachment, and then the edger attachment that you can pick from. Also, they got the combo kit here. So it's the blower and string trimmer combo kit with the battery, another 8 amp hour battery, a rapid charger. If you pick that one up, it's also going to offer you the free attachment deal. And last time I checked, those attachments separately were over $100. Now, if you want to spend a little bit less money, they do have this Ryobi 2-tool kit. This is like more of a light-duty string trimmer and blower. It does come with a 2 amp hour battery, 18 volt. That's a 120. And that blower is going to be 250 CFM, and that's going to be a 10-inch string trimmer. I've had these in the past. Not too bad for a small yard, and the string trimmer does rotate to be an edger. Now, if you guys are looking for a cordless vac, they do have the Ryobi 18-volt pet stick vacuum with the 4 amp hour battery for $199. These are pretty nice because they're cordless, and this is the HP version, so it's going to give you a little bit more performance. They also got the rigid shop vac for $100. So this is the 14-gallon wet and dry vac. This was $120. This would be nice for a shop or garage. They also got a deal going on for the Dewalt Tough System 2.0. So for this, they got the small, medium, and large toolbox. $64.98 for the small, $84.98 for the medium, and large one is $120. Total cost for all three of these is going to be $269.94 for the Tough System. And then they also got a deal going on for the Milwaukee Pack Out system. Total price on this is going to be $328.94. Let me know in the comment section below, you prefer the Tough system or the Milwaukee Pack Out. Now, if you guys are like me and you just throw your tools in some bags, they do got the Husky 15-inch tool bag, $15 for this. Not a bad deal, especially for DIYers like myself. You got some rigid deals, your choice for $100. They got the 18-volt subcompact one-handed recip saw. They also got the 5-inch random orbit sander or the oscillating multi-tool. Also for $100, they got the jigsaw kit. Comes with the 2 amp hour battery. And then they also got the 2-pack of 2 amp hour batteries for $80. So we got a couple Makita deals. So we got the hammer drill, impact driver, 2-tool kit, 4 amp hour batteries, 2 of them for $269. Or you can step it up to a little bit better kit, including 2 5 amp hour batteries for $379. Also for Makita, they got a buy one, get one. So you get a free 5 amp hour battery when you purchase 2 of the following tools. You got your multi-tool, your grinder, jigsaw, compact router, and then the 6.5-inch circular saw. Also for Dewalt, they got a free battery deal. So you get a 6 amp hour battery when you buy one of these tools. And they got the circular saw, 3/8-inch ratchet, and the 5/8-inch SDS hammer drill. They also had some other tools you could choose from for that 6 amp hour battery. So we got the multi-tool sheet sander, one-handed recip, and the 3/8-inch impact wrench. Another battery deal for Dewalt. If you buy one of these tools, you got the rotary cutout tool or the screw gun. They're going to throw in the Power Stack 1.7 amp hour battery for free. And then they also had some flex volt deals. So you got the 6 amp hour starter kit for $179. They got the recip saw for $200. They also got the angle grinder for $200 and the 7.25-inch circular saw for $200. Another deal I seen for flex volt for $600. They got the 12-inch double bevel sliding miter saw, saving $100 on this one. Got another Ryobi deal. So this is the high performance 4 amp hour battery was $129. Mark that down to $100. Also for Milwaukee, they got the buy more, save more going on. And here's all the qualifying tools. They got a bunch to choose from. They got the fuel impact driver, one-handed recip, jigsaw, circular saw. They got the 1/2-inch mid-torque wrench. They also got an M18 buy one, get one. So if you buy that kit down below, the 2-tool kit, you'll get a free 6 amp hour battery with that. And that kit is going to be the impact driver and the hammer drill. Then they also got the 5 amp hour battery when you purchase one of these items. Got the sander, multi-tool, recip, and the bandsaw. And then for M12, they got a 5 amp hour battery when you purchase one of these following tools or that 2-tool kit at the bottom. They also had some deals on some Milwaukee hand tools, so your choice for $19.97. They had the 2-piece locking pliers set. They also had the 25-foot wide blade tape measure. The leverage lineman's pliers with crimpers. Those are 9-inch. 6-piece screwdriver set. And then they also had the 8-inch long needle nose pliers. Got some more Dewalt deals. So we got the 2-tool kit with the 4 amp hour battery for $279. They also got the atomic hammer drill kit for $139. The barrel grip jigsaw for $169, and then the planer for $169. Now, if you guys are looking for a heavy-duty storage solution, we do have the Husky 4-shelf unit marked on to $200, so $50 off on that. Holds up to 10,000 pounds. Great storage solution for your shop or garage. And this does come in multiple different colors. There's the red there. And then they do also sell this in black. This is pretty big, coming in at 77 inches wide, 72 inches in height, and 24 inches deep, allowing you to store a lot of items on this. All right, guys, so there you go. Some of the top deals at Home Depot during their Spring Black Friday sale. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the walkthrough. If you did, smash that like button. And if you guys like videos like these, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Until the next one, guys, I will talk to you later.